Hey Traxxas, I fixed your crap design. Still good. Dan with Dr. Burns Review, not a doctor. Bear with my super awkward wide. I didn't plan on making this video today. What is the point of me really doing anything besides venting if I don't give a solution? And why shouldn't I? You know, if I can, I should be able to. Took me an hour and 52 minutes, including printing, to come up with a design. And this is PLA. I'm currently printing in polycarbonate. I hope the video doesn't pick up, but I'm printing it in polycarbonate as we speak. Hour and 52 minutes to solve a problem that the largest manufacturer of RC cars with the largest R&D budget couldn't fix before they rolled it out, and still to this day, as far as I understand, hasn't fixed it. On top of that, original prototype, fixed this piece here and changed the holes, and then finally the third one was changing the holes again. I could have done it quicker. All basic shapes, all mounts in the original place. And this is just PLA. I am going to do it in polycarbonate so I have something stronger, but I mean, really, like, it's still good. So I fixed it. I fixed the problem. I've only got like minimal time outside. I've been more of bouncing this thing off, smashing it off everything I can that's a hard surface. I mean, literally my counter, we got like concrete outside, like blocks that you walk on. I just kept smashing it off that. I mean, the whole 9 yards. And I fixed it. And ironically, and this was not the point of what I was doing, but weirdly, because of the way I designed it, and again, this is just, it's happenstance, it holds it. It holds the front on. Again, this was just happenstance. I didn't mean it to do this, but it also holds the front in. So, I've been hitting this a lot. Everything's kind of shaken up, but boop. Wires are moved around a lot. And would you look at that? It's exactly where it needs to be. And I didn't mind this bumper. I liked the way the bumper looked. I just hated that it never worked. And even with the body on. Still good. I'll do this all day. Hey, editing Dan. Well, back at it again. It was enough where I didn't want to edit it. There was enough where I'm gonna edit it in, but there was enough that I could talk about and show that I feel like it was worth it. So, long story short, after revising it one more time, I was actually able to get it so, yes, the bumper still holds up, but out of weirdness, guess what doesn't rub? And for whatever reason, it pulls the body away enough that it also doesn't rub the body. I mean, time will tell, and I don't know if this just happened to be mine specifically, but I think I might have just solved both issues. If I did, cool beans. If not, well, let me know. You can even try pulling, but guess what? You're not going anywhere. When you're fully compressed, I mean, one finger. That's a little bit of effort, but still, I think that solved it. Weird. Well, it does put more weight on the front, but I don't think that's a huge issue. Again, I've only driven it for 5 minutes. Give me a couple days. This design's going to go out. It's not going to have a commercial license, so you can make it for as many friends as you want, and as long as it's free, I don't care how many you make and give away. You just can't sell it on eBay or anything like that. It's going to be a free design. If you have an STL, you got a buddy, whatever, the STL is going to be out there. You know, it's so frustrating that some random guy in New England that has no engineering background, no modeling background, who barely got a high school diploma, was able to figure out a problem that one of the largest manufacturers couldn't fix. I didn't even plan on doing this video. I didn't even plan on doing this. I didn't plan on doing it. But it burned in me that I didn't have a solution, because that just sucks for you guys, and I don't like that. I don't like going, yeah, it sucks for everybody. This sucks for me, it sucks for you, nothing's good. I didn't like that. And as you can tell, if you saw my last video, I have nothing but angry feelings towards this whole entire thing. And, you know, I'm happy that there is going to be a possible solution. Like I said, print and polycarbonate, but even PLA, this was a 0.28 on an extra draft on Bamboo Labs. This is what it looks like. Right there. That's it. Two points at the top to fit in the fit in the bottom of the top it sits in, and then there's two concave holes where the original bumper fits in. Yeah, everything still tightens. You still use all the original hardware. You don't even have to go out and buy anything as far as hardware goes or anything like that. Everything is still the same. Everything works the same. And I'm not looking, this isn't about praise or anything like that. It's not about that. It was never about, oh, look, I did it. It was more frustrating that why is it that somebody has to do it at all? You know, I don't do these kind of things I don't do this specific kind of thing to fix an issue for praise. I do it so that everybody can go enjoy it if they have it. Because there's nothing worse than buying something because you know reselling it, you're losing everything on it. You're lucky if you get 80%. You know, and it's just annoying. And this is coming from somebody who has Traxxas stuff. I mean, I've got so much Traxxas stuff. I've bought so much Traxxas stuff over the years. And I'm happy that I found a solution for everybody. Hopefully it works for everybody. You're going to have to do minor adjustments. There's going to be revisions. I'm going to release this, but there's going to be revisions. And you got to give me a couple days because I want to go and drive it a lot more. And I want to be able to just go smash it off things. You know, I took a hammer, but that doesn't do dilly squat. Nothing to do with anybody. I'm more pissed at Traxxas because this was supposed to be my off week where I was going to kind of avoid RC stuff. Now, this is obviously my own choice. I did this, but it was just so annoying that why do we have to come up with a solution because you guys can't, you know? Again, some jabroni from New England figured it out and in less than 2 hours fixed it. Like, come on. So I'm going to try to leave it there. Thank you for watching. If you're coming for the last one, as always, thank you even more. You know, I'm just going to continue what I'm doing and try to enjoy this now. And I'm not doing a full video on this. I'm sorry. I could go over the good. Maybe I'll do it in quite a while, but I'd like to take a break from this thing. Yeah, I'm going to keep designing and doing what I need to do on that front piece, but that's it. I'd like to take a little break from this thing because every time I look at this thing, man, I'm just getting more and more frustrated and more hateful towards it, as you can probably tell. So, all right, that's it. I'm not going to tell you about what's in the next one. That's in the other video. So, good night.